Hey guys, hi बच्चों, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? So today is going to be a super awesome class. Today we are going to master sequence and series, very important for JEE Mains in one class. All right, and many of you have two questions to ask. We have one class on location of roots, quadratic equations, and one class on the cube root of unity of complex numbers, which I am going to take after this class from Friday onwards. Chalo, let us move ahead. Let us start with a question as we always do. Come, do this question and then we will enter sequence and series. आ जाओ, करते हैं इसको, करें? Come, read it, all of you. This is JEE Mains 2019. This is to start the class of sequence and progression to show you how easy the problems are. ठीक है? So that you increase your confidence. कर रहे हो सब लोग? Answer is C. Rachit wants me to take his name. आ जाओ. तो क्या है देखो, the 19 term of a non-zero AP. अरे सबको पता है. All of you know that the rth term of a AP is given by A plus R minus 1D. A is the first term, D is the common difference. इतना तो सबको आता है. All of you know all this, right? तो what is the 19th term? T19 बच्चों क्या हो जाएगा? This will be A plus 18D, which is given to be 0. Given to be 0. A plus 19 minus 1, 18D. Then you want the ratio of the 49th and the 29th term. So what do you want बच्चों? You want the ratio of this 49th term. कितना हो जाएगा? A plus 48D. Upon 29th term, A plus 28D. A plus n minus 1, 49 minus 1 D. A plus 29th term, 29 minus 1 D. ये आपको चाहिए? अरे so simple, हो तो क्या? Use this. यहां से क्या पता चलेगा आपको? From here what do you know बच्चों? You know the value of A. A कितना हो जाएगा? A is minus 18D. अरे वाह, तो प्रॉब्लम कितनी सिंपल हो गई. ये कितना हो गया? दिस इज माइनस 18D प्लस 48D अपॉन माइनस 18D प्लस 28D. कितना हो गया? 48 माइनस 18 30 अपॉन 10. रेशियो कितना आ गया? 3:1. आंसर इज, ऑल ऑफ यू आर राइट, आंसर इज सी. सच अ सिंपल प्रॉब्लम. I am taking this as a first problem to show you that this chapter is simple, not difficult, right? Chalo, let's move ahead. Let's move ahead बच्चों. Okay, so this is what we did. Now let us begin sequence and progression, but let me tell you what concepts are we going to do. बच्चों, trust me, the concepts that I'm going to tell you are important, nothing else. Don't waste your time in learning anything else. Save your time, do effective studies. I am Pulkit. I did my BTech from IIT Roorkee. I am one of the co-founders of Vedantu. I head technology and product at Vedantu as well. Okay, this is my Instagram handle. And do like if you understand in my class so that I get a feedback. Do share with your friends who you think can benefit. And if you are new, do subscribe by clicking on the bell icon so that you get the notifications. All right, bachcho, these are the topics that we are going to study. Remember, arithmetic progression, sum, GP, sum, nothing else is important. This is very important. Sigma notation. Today we are going to focus a lot on sigma notation. There are many other concepts in sequence and progression. Trust me, I have done a lot of studies of the previous year questions. ये कर लो, 99% chances हैं question इसी से आता है. The questions come only from these concepts. ठीक है? Clear? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. And बच्चों, today I am going to give you home assignment problems in the class itself. After class assignments you get on the Telegram group, but in the class assignments, what are the questions? बच्चों, these are the kind of questions I am going to, these are your home assignment problems to show you what you are going to learn today. For the students who are watching the class after the time, if you are watching the replay, give me the answers in the chat box, in the comment section with your name so that I get to see who has solved it correctly. ठीक है? JEE Mains 2019 screenshot ले लेना बाद में. Another problem, JEE Mains 2019, again a sigma notation problem, home assignment. Question number 3, home assignment, again JEE Mains 2019. Don't see the answer, do it yourself. You will learn it in today's class, the concepts. and this is your question number 4, again your home assignment. Give me the answer in the comment box. Okay, this is what you're going to learn today. Immediately after the class you will be able to solve these problems. All right, चलो अब आ जाते हैं. Let us begin with the first concept, AP. सबको पता है थ्योरी. अरे बिफोर दैट, अरे बच्चों, Vedantu has been nominated, Vedantu app has been nominated by Google in the Users Choice App Award. ठीक है, but the award will be given through user voting, आपकी voting. बच्चों, I want all of you to vote for Vedantu app. If you are benefiting from Vedantu app, please बच्चों vote करो. ये लिंक है, इस लिंक पे जाना, आप कॉपी कर, इसको बाद में ब्राउजर में खोलना. Just open this link. You will see this page and just vote for Vedantu. I want all of your support. करोगे? Will you give the support? Yes or no? I want all of your support. I'm counting on you guys. Okay? चलो. So let us start with arithmetic progression now. AP theory सबको आता है, but important thing is this. बच्चों, focus here. This concept is very very important. All of you know, if there is an AP given to you, first term plus second term से लेके nth term, and you have to find out the sum. बच्चों, what is the formula? This is the formula. सबको पता है? Number of terms by 2, 2 times first term plus n minus 1 into d, common difference. But the most important way to remember it is also equal to number of terms by 2, first term plus the last term. This is how Friedrich Gauss derived sequence and progression. ठीक है, अब ध्यान से इसको विजुलाइज करना. इमेजिन आपके पास ये सम ऑफ अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन है टिल 100 टर्म्स. बच्चों प्लीज फोकस, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस कंसेप्ट इन सॉल्विंग जेई प्रॉब्लम्स. आपको दिमाग में क्या रखना है? ऑलवेज रिमेंबर द सम ऑफ द फर्स्ट टर्म एंड द लास्ट टर्म. बच्चों कितना आएगा? 101 इज सेम एज द सम ऑफ द सेकेंड एंड द सेकेंड लास्ट टर्म इज सेम एज सम ऑफ द थर्ड एंड द थर्ड लास्ट टर्म. सबका सम बच्चों कितना है? 101. हाउ मेनी कॉम्बिनेशंस ऑफ 101 आर गेटिंग क्रिएटेड? कितने बन रहे हैं? टोटल टर्म्स 100. हाउ मेनी सच पेयर्स आर फॉर्म्ड? 50 पेयर्स. हेंस बच्चों क्या हो गया? द समेशन इज कमिंग आउट टू बी टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स बाय 2 n बाय 2 फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस लास्ट टर्म 1 प्लस 100. राइट, ये समझ में आया? अब देखना हाउ एम आई गोइंग टू यूज दिस कंसेप्ट. ठीक है, नाउ आई एम गोइंग, ये विजुलाइज कर लो, सेट इट इन योर ब्रेन, दिस विजुलाइजेशन. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ शॉर्टकट इन सॉल्विंग लॉट्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स. नाउ लेट्स गो टू द प्रॉब्लम्स डायरेक्टली. लुक एट दिस बच्चों, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज द सेम कंसेप्ट टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम लाइक अ शॉर्टकट. रीड द प्रॉब्लम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, रीड इट ऑल ऑफ यू. हर्ष, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन की एक्स्ट्रा क्लास होगी बेटा सैटरडे को. The remaining portion of complex numbers on Friday. Okay? अपूर्व बेटा, फर्स्ट फोकस ऑन जेई मेंस के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस. हाँ, अब देखो इसको. नाउ लेट अस विजुलाइज, बी वेरी वेरी अटेंटिव हियर. देखो क्या बोल रहा है वो बोल रहा है दैट A1 प्लस A4 प्लस A7 plus A16 is 114. Not all terms are getting added. Not all terms are getting added. Basically क्या है? A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, right? And so on. देखो A7, so on. लास्ट में क्या आएगा? ऐसे लिखूं just to help you visualize. इतना लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, but to help you visualize. Say 13, 14, 15, 16. This is the sum of all the terms. But what is the question? The sum of first, fourth, seventh. So first, fourth, seventh. मतलब बच्चों किस किस का समेशन हो रहा है? अब इसको विजुलाइज करते हैं. We are actually summing A1 plus A16. ध्यान से देखना. Second is A4. यहां से 3 आगे, फ्रॉम A1 3 टर्म्स अहेड 4. सो यहां से 3 टर्म्स पीछे कौन सा होगा बच्चों? कौन सा होगा? 1 2 3 1 2 3 13, राइट. देन A7 और दूसरा क्या होगा? देयर विल बी वन मोर टर्म सिमिलरली. क्या क्या टर्म्स है एक्चुअली? A1, A4, A7. विद द गैप ऑफ 3 3, और यहां से क्या है A16, एक और पीछे आ जाओ 3 टर्म्स 13, गैप कितना है बच्चों 3 का गैप है, 3 का गैप है राइट। और यहां पे क्या आएगा A, दिस इज 13, और यहां पे क्या आएगा A10 राइट। एक्चुअली दिस समेशन इज व्हाट इज गिवन टू यू, दिस समेशन इज गिवन टू यू। अब देखना मैं कंसेप्ट कैसे यूज करता हूं, दिस इज अ शॉर्टकट ओके। सो बेसिकली व्हाट इज गिवन टू यू, दिस इज गिवन टू यू, बट you know that these two का summation is equal to these two का summation is equal to these two का summation. Agree? Yes or no? Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? So A1 plus A16 will be same as equidistant terms, 3 ahead 3 behind. A1 plus A13 is same as A7 plus A10. So this thing, can I write this as 3 times A1 plus A16? Agree? Because this and this are same. All these 3 are same. So can I write this as 3 times A1 plus A16? Can I write this as 3 times A1 plus A16? Agree? Any doubt till here? यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया आपको? Now the question is A1 plus A6 plus A11 plus A16. अब ये क्या बोल रहा है? Now look at this very carefully. एक लाइन में आंसर आ जाएगा. Answer will come in one line. What do you require? This. Do you see very carefully? A1, A6, A11, A16. These are equidistant terms. This is 5 ahead. A1 से 5 ahead is A6 and A16 से 5 behind is A11. So similarly, symmetrically, these two and these two will have equal value, right? तो बच्चों में इसको क्या लिख सकता हूं? 2 times A1 plus A16. That's it. आंसर आ गया. ये क्या था? 3 times A1 plus A16 is 114. तो यहां से बच्चों क्या आ जाएगा? From here you will get A1 plus A16 कितना हो जाएगा? 114 by 3. राइट? और क्वेश्चन क्या है? 2 times A1 plus A16. बच्चों ये कितना हो जाएगा? 2 into 114 by 3. That's your answer. बच्चों कितना आ जाएगा? It will be कितना आएगा? 76. Yes, 76 is your answer. समझ में आया? How many of you got this method? Very simple. All that you need to think about is first and the last. फिर यहां से चलो equidistant. First and the last का summation is same as 3 ahead 3 behind. So equidistant, जितना distance if you go from here, उतना distance you come from here, these two will have the sum same as these two. These two sum, all these sums are same. Very very simple. So see, your absolutely तो calculation. इसको देख के लिखा 3 times this, इसको देख के लिखा 2 times this. That's the answer. ले दो लाइन में हो गया, right? So if your concepts are clear, problem becomes laddu. Answer is 76. Answer is 76. Awesome. समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? अब people are asking me conventional method. चलो let me take one more problem to show you conventional method. But will you do that problem with this method also? Let's take Sanju Dhaliwal. आ जाओ. Good to see you again. Look at this problem बच्चों. Can you do it with the same method? हाँ, yes Vidur, we are mostly focusing on the question beta, don't worry. Yes, laddu. If the concepts are clear, everything is laddu. Read the problem carefully बच्चों. Sumant Raidu. Aditya is asking what to do after sprint beta. Do the assignments which I share on the Telegram group and do the previous year JEE Mains problems. More than sufficient. ठीक है? Raghav, just focus on the problems that I'm doing. You will get which concepts are important. अब देखो इस पे. Sn denotes the sum of the first n terms. अच्छी बात है. S4 is given to me and S6 is given to me. चलो. So what is given to me? A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 is 16. Right? This is your S4. Just to help you visualize. You need not write it. You can do it in your mind. What is given? S6 is also given. That is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 plus A6, 2 extra terms, कितना given है? -48. Right, these two are given to you. Now what do you want? S10. अब देखना सिंगल लाइन में सॉल्व हो जाएगा. S10, ध्यान से देखना बच्चों. S10 is what? It is A1, A2. Let me help you visualize. A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10. I am writing it to help you visualize. I need not write all this. What I want to show you is S10 is equal to A1 से A10 is same as A2 से A9 is same as A3 से A8 is same as A4 से A7, but most importantly it is same as A5 plus A6. Can I write S10 as बच्चों? Can I write S10 as, ध्यान से देखना, as 10/2 first term plus last term? I can write that, right? Summation is number of terms by 2, first plus last term, but A1 plus A10 can also be written as 10/2 A5 plus A6. Yes or no? बस A5 plus A6 कहां से आ जाएगा? Look at these two. When you subtract the two, बच्चों क्या आएगा आपके पास? This implies if you subtract this minus this, कितना हो जाएगा? A5 plus A6 आ जाएगा. A5 plus A6. लो, हो गया प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. This implies A5 plus A6 is equal to this minus this, that is -48 -16. Right, that's it. तो ये कितना हो गया? This is equal to 5 times 48 और 16. कितना हो गया? That's your answer. कितना हो जाएगा? 64 है ना? -64. बस 5 into -64, that's your answer. समझ में आया? Any doubt? बच्चों, any doubt in this method? Such a simple method, right? क्या करना था आपको? S4 पता है, S6 पता है, मुझे A5 plus A6 मिल गया. उसने पूछा S10. S10 में all you wanted to visualize was S10 is actually number of terms by 2, first term plus last term, but that is also equal to A5 plus A6. A5 plus A6 आपको subtract करके मिल जाएगा. That's it. Very simple. Got it? How many of you got it? How many of you got it? Mani, Kiran, Vishal. Got it? Super. Very nice. Some of you have doubt, तो चलो let me show you alternate method also. So answer कितना आ जाएगा? -320. आ गया -320. Now alternate method. Alternate method में क्या करना है बच्चों? कुछ नहीं करना. It's very simple. Alternate method is this. कहाँ गया? Alternate method is this. बच्चों पढ़ो इसको. क्या जो बोलता है लिखते जाओ. S4 is 16, S6 is -48. Apply the formula. क्या हो जाएगा? S4 number of terms by 2, number of terms by 2. ठीक है? क्या होता है फॉर्मूला? दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d. This is the formula, sum का फॉर्मूला. In this put n is equal to 4. यहाँ पे n is equal to 4 पुट कर दो. और दूसरा वाला कहाँ गया? And the other one is हाँ ये रहा. The second one is this. Right? यहाँ पे put n is equal to 6. तो ये आ जाएगा आपके पास 2 equations. Right? So solve करेंगे तो आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा? You will get D. You will get A. The question was S10. S10 बच्चों कितना हो जाएगा? Number of terms by 2 2a plus n minus 1, that is 9d. Put the values, get -320. This is very another method. But point is, अगर आप visualize कर पाते, you need not do all these calculations. You would have saved at least half a minute to 45 seconds. Yes or no? Is that clear? ठीक है, चलो, very good. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So this is clear. You also realize problems are simple. Prashant, guys, are the problems simple? Yes or no? Yes, good job. So कॉन्फिडेंस बच्चों, कॉन्फिडेंस. डोंट फील अलजेब्रा इज डिफिकल्ट. अलजेब्रा इज इजी. क्वेश्चंस आर सिंपल इन जेईई मेंस. राइट नाउ लेट्स डू दिस. द सम, ये वेरी सिंपल प्रॉब्लम बच्चों, करो खुद से करो. डू इट. द सम, ऑल दीज आर 2019 प्रॉब्लम्स. डू इट. The sum and the product of the first three terms in an AP are 33 and 1155. Find then a value of its 11th term. मतलब this is your NCERT problem, right? First thing to remember is the first three terms. It's good whenever odd number of terms are to be found out. बच्चों कैसे करते हैं number of terms? You can take the terms as A minus D, A plus D. The three terms of an AP, if you take the terms like this, your calculation will be simple. This is AP. The difference कितना हो गया? D. Difference कितना हो गया? D. This is AP. So this is how you should take terms. What is given to you? Sum given है. तो sum कितना हो जाएगा? Sum is this plus this plus this. D cancels out. 3A is equal to क्या दिया उसने? 33. Product कितना हो जाएगा? This into this into this. So कितना हो जाएगा? A times A square minus D square. बच्चों कितना है? 1155. Right? Then the value of the 11th term. तो बच्चों क्या चाहिए आपको? 11th term कितना हो जाएगा? Can you find out the 11th term through this? बस that is the question. So let's solve it. Let's solve it. तो करें solve. तो solve करेंगे तो बच्चों क्या आएगा? ये देखो. Let's see the calculations here. Check out the calculations because it's very simple. I'm just showing you. So calculate किया तो यहाँ से आ गया sum. The sum of the terms A minus D plus A minus D plus A plus D is 33. A 11. Agree? Product multiplication. तो बच्चों क्या आ गया आपके पास? 11 into 121 minus D square is this. So equation आ गया बच्चों आपके पास 121 minus D square is 105. D comes out to be plus minus 4. D comes out to be plus minus 4. 11th term. What is the 11th term? 11th term is A plus n minus 1 D. A plus n minus 1 D. But what is the first term बच्चों? What is the first term? First term is A minus D. Remember, what was the first term? A minus D. A plus D. What is the first term? A minus D. Agree? तो एक बार तो D को 4 ले लो. Take D equal to 4 because there is plus minus 4. So first term कितना हो जाएगा आपके पास बच्चों? 7. Agree? कैसे? A 11, D 4. 11 minus 4, 7. 7 is the first term plus 10 times D. 47 is the 11th term. If you take common difference as 4, if you take common difference as minus 4 because D की दो values possible है. If you take D is equal to minus 4 बच्चों, T11 कितना हो जाएगा? कितना हो जाएगा? T1 plus 10D. T1 कितना हो जाएगा? First term is 11 minus 4 कितना हो जाएगा बच्चों? 15. So 15 plus 10 into D, that is minus 4, minus 25. Check the options. Minus 25 is the correct one. Is that clear? Is that clear? Be careful about the calculations. Okay बच्चों? Common mistake. What is the common mistake here? You take the first term as A minus D. But while writing the 11th term, आप T1 को simply रख दोगे A because you are habituated to put A as the first term. This is the common mistake which students do. और majority बच्चों ने इस problem में यही mistake की थी. ठीक है? Got it? चलो. So calculations बच्चों, calculations very important. आ जाओ. Now let us do GP. तो AP में ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, नथिंग स्पेशल. AP सुपर सिंपल. GP का थ्योरी ऑल ऑफ यू नो. GP का थ्योरी तो कोई डाउट ही नहीं है आपको. ठीक है? सो दिस इज अ GP. सो AR square, AR raised to power n minus 1 is your nth term. So what is the nth term? It is AR raised to power n minus 1. R is the common ratio. तो यहाँ तक तो सबको पता है. ये भी all of you know. If three terms are in AP, if three terms are in GP, then B square is equal to AC, all of you know. And if three terms are in AP, then twice the middle term is equal to a plus c. All of you know this, nothing special here. Let us solve the problem. ठीक है, solve the problem करें. Look at this, nice problem बच्चों. This is a nice problem. I like this problem. So this is actually a good problem. Read it. अरे अरविंद, don't worry about donating money. Just focus on the problems. आ जाओ. If A, B, C are three distinct real numbers. अच्छा, ये GP में है, numbers are in GP. बड़ी अच्छी बात है, very good. Then numbers are in GP. This is given to you. A plus B plus C is equal to XB. Then X cannot be. Don't forget it is cannot be in the question. Okay, cannot be. So A, B, C are in GP. So A, B, C are in GP. This immediately implies B square is equal to AC. ये तो सबको पता है. All of you know B square is AC. चलो बड़ी अच्छी बात है. Now let us start coming from here. So what is given? मुझे पता है A plus B plus C is equal to XB. अच्छा, क्या करूं? I want to use this B square is equal to AC. क्या करें? Let's take B on that side. तो मेरे पास आ गया A plus C is equal to B कॉमन ले लो, X minus 1. I want to use this. To use this, let us square. So let us square. Why am I doing this? Because ये relation use करना है ना, because that is given in the question, right? तो बच्चों क्या हो जाएगा? स्क्वायर करेंगे तो A square plus C square plus 2AC is equal to X minus 1 whole square into B square. But what is B square बच्चों? B square is AC. Can I write it AC? तो बच्चों क्या आ गया यहाँ से? What do I get from here? I get A square plus C square is equal to, क्या हो जाएगा? Is equal to, if I take AC that side, if I take AC common, I am taking it that side, AC common, बच्चों कितना हो जाएगा? X minus 1 whole square minus 2. Here lies the hint. यहाँ तक आ गया. Everybody got till here? Any doubt? Anybody any doubt till here? Is that clear? This is the answer. यहीं पे hint है. The hint lies here. Think about it. Hint lies here. Question is, what X cannot be? Now, ध्यान से सुनना. A square plus C square बच्चों, is this positive? It is positive. A square plus C square positive है. All of you know, summation of two positive numbers positive. अच्छा बच्चों, AC. What is AC? AC is B square. AC is B square. So B square तो positive है. तो AC is also positive. Agree? Since B square is equal to AC and B square is positive, so AC is also positive. So AC is also positive. Now this is positive, then obviously this thing should also be positive. This should be positive. Now check the options. Which option makes it negative? Which option makes it negative? That value of X cannot be. समझ में आया? भैया left hand side positive है, then right hand side should also be positive. This term is positive, then this should also be positive. So if you put all the values, ठीक है? If you put 2, because you are putting the answer as D, right? If you put 2 minus 1 का square 1 minus 2, negative. भैया यही आंसर है. It means X cannot be 2. That's the answer. Simple. Any problem बच्चों? Any problem? Any doubt? Is that clear? Simple problem, but I really like it because it's not straightforward. It requires some thinking here. है ना? चलो, good job. The same thing I have solved it for you. है ना? Same logic here. Same. So this is positive, this has to be positive, but 2 value of X is equal to 2 makes it negative. Hence X cannot be 2. Very good. ठीक है? अब आ जाओ बच्चों summation of GP. Quickly. Simple है यार. Summation of GP सबको पता है. Formula पता है? What is the formula? summation of GP is Sn is equal to A plus AR plus AR square plus AR raised to power n minus 1. This you read in your class 11th, that its formula is this. Nothing special here, nothing special. All of you know that this is the formula. What is the formula? A 1 minus r raised to power n upon 1 minus r. But you also know that if it is an infinite GP, matlab A plus AR plus AR square till infinity, and the modulus of R is less than 1. Iska matlab common ratio is a fraction. It is a fraction. If it is a fraction, then this series converges. It gets you a finite value. और वो finite value बच्चों कितनी आती है? This comes out to be A upon 1 minus R. This all of you know. A upon 1 minus R. ठीक है? Is that clear? यहाँ तक तो clear है. कोई clear है यहाँ तक? All right. आगे बढ़े. So nothing special. No theory is required. Okay. अब आ जाओ problem solving करते हैं. Let us do problem solving. Let's look at this. Look at this problem. Let's learn through the problems. The sum of an infinite GP, geometrical series with positive terms is 3, and the sum of the cubes of its terms is 27 by 19. Then the common ratio of the series. Be patient, don't lose heart, write down the problem. First of all, what is given, write down in your own language. ठीक है? What is Vinod is saying here? Did I miss something, Vinod? आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ो, तब तक मैं आपके वो देख रहा हूँ कमेंट्स. टेस्ट सीरीज, हाँ बच्चों, आई विल शेयर सम टेस्ट हियर, डोंट वरी, आई विल शेयर द टेस्ट हियर. एनर्जी इज लो, डोंट वरी अबाउट योर एनर्जी, हो जाएगा. हाँ आ जाओ. कैन नॉट ज्वाइन टेलीग्राम, बेटा एक बार वापस से ट्राई करना. यू शुड बी एबल टू ज्वाइन यूजिंग नेटवर्क अदर देन जियो. हाँ अब आ जाओ, पहले प्रॉब्लम पे आते हैं, फिर बाकी चीजें डिस्कस करेंगे. लेट्स कम ऑन द प्रॉब्लम. Sum of an infinite GP series with the positive terms is 3. Sum of the infinite GP is 3. मतलब S infinity A upon 1 minus R is 3. Given. Very good. Now, sum of the cubes. What was here? This was, basically this is A plus AR plus plus plus. This is this. Then sum of the cubes. मतलब A cube plus A cube R cube till infinity. बच्चों क्या हो जाएगा? Now the first term is what? Now first term is A cube. So A cube, what is the common ratio? 1 minus R cube is equal to 27 by 19. Any doubt? Is that clear? ठीक है? अगर ये है तो क्या करें? Now can you use this and this together? Now that is the hint. बच्चों 1 minus r cube को expand करके लिख सकते हो क्या? Can you expand it? देखना ध्यान से. Let me show. Think about the denominator and expand it. कैसे? ये देखो फॉर्मूला याद है? सबको पता होना चाहिए. क्या फॉर्मूला था? a क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब. a क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब का फॉर्मूला कितना होता है? a माइनस बी a square plus b square plus ab. All of you remember this? A cube minus b cube. So 1 cube minus r cube. ये लिखा था मैंने in the previous page. It can be written as denominator can be written as 1 minus r into 1 plus r square plus r. Agree? मैंने क्या किया? एक a upon 1 minus r separate कर दिया because I know its value is 3. So इसकी जगह बच्चों क्या आ जाएगा? 3. I can write 3 here. Agree? Now बच गया a square. Can I remove the a square? Can I write a as 3 times 1 minus r? Agree? So this thing can become, now this becomes 3. This is 3 multiplied by, in the place of a square, let me write दिस का स्क्वायर दैट इज 9 इंटू 1 माइनस आर का होल स्क्वायर अपॉन 1 प्लस आर स्क्वायर प्लस आर in the denominator is equal to 27 by 19. Why am I doing this, bachcho? Because I want to create an equation only in R. Do you realize it is an equation only in R? It is equation only in R. Right? Just cross multiply, you will get a quadratic in R. Just cross multiply, you will get a quadratic in R. फिर से quick revision, calculate till the time I am explaining it again. So what was given to us? Given to us that sum of an infinite geometric series was 3. मतलब S infinity was A plus AR. This is 3. Its formula is this. So this is the formula. Then sum of the cubes. Sum of the cubes क्या हो गया? A cube. First term का cube. Second term का cube. And so on till infinity. So what is the formula? Formula is first term upon 1 minus common ratio is r cube. This is the formula. It is 27 by 19. What I did, I expanded this 1 minus r cube using the formula a cube minus b cube. This is the formula. We read it before class 9th, class 8th. ठीक है, तो 1 minus r into 1 plus r square plus r. बस उसको अपन ने क्या किया, I am just removing a upon 1 minus r is 3, a square, I wrote a square as इसका square, cross multiply, get a quadratic in r and solve. तो सॉल्व करते हैं इसको. व्हेन यू सॉल्व इट बच्चों, दिस इज द इक्वेशन दैट यू गेट अपॉन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग 6r स्क्वायर माइनस 13r प्लस 6 इक्वल टू 0. सबका आ गया. कैन यू सॉल्व इट? क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, सॉल्व इट, फैक्टराइज हो जाएगा. दिस कैन गेट फैक्टराइज्ड. ये लो फैक्टराइज हो गया. क्या आ गया फैक्टराइज होके? सो दिस इज द इक्वेशन. व्हेन यू फैक्टराइज इट यू विल गेट दिस. सॉल्व करोगे r आ जाएगा 2/3, r आ जाएगा 3/2. बच्चों व्हाट इज द आंसर? 3/2 की 2/3? व्हाट इज द आंसर? रिमेंबर, इफ नोट डाउन इन योर माइंड, if a infinite geometric series is giving you a finite value, then it is only possible if the common ratio is a fraction, if it is less than 1. ठीक है. So for a infinite geometric series to get a finite value, ठीक है, it is only possible when r is less than 1. So this gets rejected. This is your answer. बच्चों आंसर हो जाएगा 2/3. आंसर is 2/3, not 3/2. Got it? तो देखो चिंटू जैन इज सेइंग कि ये तो बोर्ड में भी है. देन why am I not able to solve this in JEE Mains? Because your brain says that it is difficult. See बच्चों, my approach of teaching you is tell your brain, अपने दिमाग को बोलो that JEE Mains is simple. If you tell your brain that JEE Mains is simple, then your brain starts accepting the questions. It starts attacking the questions. It starts with your confidence बच्चों. Have your confidence really really high. Maths is simple. It is simple. Any of these questions was tough? No ना. Confidence. ठीक है, आगे बढ़े. Somebody are asking about the surprise. कल पता चलेगा. हाँ, इसको देखो. Now I'm going to tell you about some shortcuts. Now look at this problem. Now listen to me very very carefully in this. Okay, this is the problem. This is the JEE previous year problem. ठीक है. Now any problem, now listen to me very carefully, any problem of summation where the options have n, no need to solve the problem. Any problem जिसके अंदर कोई summation है in the question and option has n, then ये problem guaranteed shortcut से हो जाएगा. Now what is the shortcut? Let me tell you. What is this? This is the summation of n terms. ठीक. So the summation of the first n terms is this. Agree? अच्छा बच्चों, अगर ये n terms तक का summation है तो can you tell me what is the summation till the first term? अगर n 1 होगा, if n is 1, then it will be summation till the first term only. तो बच्चों what is the first term? Only half. Do you realize? Listen to me very carefully. if these are n terms, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, n terms का summation is Sn, then what is S1? अरे it is summation till the first term. First term तो half ही है, only half. अच्छा, what is the summation till the second term? Can you tell me? S2 क्या है? When n is equal to 2, है ना? n is equal to 2, summation of 2 terms. वो बच्चों कितना हो जाएगा? हाफ प्लस 3/4 कितना हो जाएगा बच्चों? एलसीएम ले लो 5/4. So this is the concept. Now अब ऑप्शंस को चेक कर लेते हैं. मुझे पता है S1 तो हाफ है, मतलब whatever is the formula, it is some function of n, right? It is some function of n. One of the options is correct. अगर मैं ऑप्शंस में n को 1 रखूं, if I put n is equal to 1 in the options, answer should be half. Agree? If the option is correct. जरा n को 1 put करो, put n is equal to 1. 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Now this is not the option. ये तो option हो ही नहीं सकता, wrong, right? 1 minus n को 1 put करो, I am putting n is equal to 1. 1 minus 2 raised to power minus 1, half. Yes, this can be the option. 1 plus 1/2 minus 1, ये भी half आ रहा है. This can be the option. 2 plus 1, wrong. This cannot be the option. So when you put n is equal to 1, you got 2 options correct. Now put n is equal to 2. When you put n is equal to 2, your answer should be 5/4. Answer should be 5/4. So put n is equal to 2 जरा. 2 put करते हैं. So 1 minus 1/4. n is equal to 2. कितना हो जाएगा? 2 raised to power minus 2. 1/4. 3/4. Wrong. This should be the answer. क्यों? n is equal to 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 plus 1/4, 5/4. That's it. Solved. Got it? समझ में आया? Did you understand the concept बच्चों? How many of you understood the concept? So what is the method? What is the shortcut? Shortcut is whenever you have a question in which there is a summation of the n terms and the formula of the summation is asked. क्या करो? S1 निकालो, S2 निकालो, put the value of n1 and 2, check the options, it should be equal to the value. That's it, very simple. Agree? ठीक है? तो ये तो मस्त है. चलो आगे बढ़े. So never solve such questions, but if you wanted to solve it, here is उसका method. If you wanted to solve it, करना है. Do you want to learn the other method? ये भी देख लो, important है. क्या था question? Question is this. What we realized was कि half 3/4, 7/8. Actually it is 1 minus half, 1 minus 1/4, 1 minus 1/8, 1 minus 1/16 and so on. Right? तो क्या किया? Half can be written as 1 minus half. 3/4 like this, 7/8 like this. But उससे क्या हुआ? Till n terms, what I did? I took 1, 1, 1 अलग से. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 how many times? n times. तो वो तो n आ गया. Take minus common, half plus 1/4 plus 1/8 till n terms. अरे ये तो GP है. Straight away formula. This is the GP. With this straight away formula, where first term is what? This is the first term A, and what is the R? R is half. Use the formula. So A into 1 minus R raised to power n upon 1 minus R, that will give you the. ऐसे भी कर सकते थे. You could. अरे as you Umer is saying it is not live. अरे बाबा live है रे. Umer, it is live. Any doubt? Clear है सबको ये? आगे बढ़े? चलो. Now let's do sigma. बच्चों आ जाओ. The most important topic of the day. Sigma वाला problems. Right? Yes, Shubham. My iPhone started speaking to me. Siri started speaking to me. पता नहीं क्या सुन लिया उसने. Anyways, problems of sigma. Let me simply tell you these formulae to note in. Keep in mind. I hope all of you know this. बच्चों, what is sigma first of all? Sigma क्या करता है? अगर मैं लिखता हूँ sigma से k, where k varies from 1 से लेके n, it means what? In the place of k, keep putting all the values from 1 से लेके n and put plus in between. So k is equal to 1, then k is equal to 2, then k is equal to 3, then k is equal to n, and there is a summation of all. So this is the notation of sigma. So sigma k varies from 1 to n, is the summation of first n terms, which you can find out. It is an arithmetic progression, n into n plus 1 by 2. Similarly, sigma of k square, it means summation of all the squares of the natural numbers from 1 to n. तो बच्चों कितना हो जाएगा ये? इसका फॉर्मूला होता है n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. ठीक है? ठीक है? n सबको याद है ना ये? n sigma k cube. It is what? It is nothing but इसका square. ठीक है? Keep this in mind. This is now the problems that I'm going to do are direct applications of this. But how do you do it is important to learn. Right? है ना? अब चलो, अब एक काम करते हैं. Any problems? Ready? Ready? चलो, come. Beta, there is no special series. Somebody is asking about the special series. अरे don't worry, मैं बता रहा हूँ. Whatever that I'm teaching you here, trust me, 99.9% questions बस यहीं से आएंगे. In fact 100% questions will come only from the concepts that I am teaching you. Please, because see, time is limited. If you look at the theory of sequence and progression, this much is the theory. I have done proper research of all the questions of all the years. इतना कर लो सब हो जाएगा. Just do this much and you will be sorted. Look at this problem now. Look at this problem. Look at this. This is JEE Mains 2016 problem. JEE Mains 2016 problem. This I am giving you to tell you the first way of approaching the problem. Look at read the problem very carefully. The sum of the first 10 terms. Sum of the first 10 terms of the series is ये जो भी दिया हुआ उसने. Then m is equal to. Then m is equal to. So basically first 10 terms का summation चाहिए अपने को. First of all, it is unnecessarily written to intimidate you. आपको डराने के लिए लिखा है इसे. क्या फालतू गिरी है. इसको पहले तो सिंप्लीफाई करके लिख लो. सबको पता है 1 3/5, 1 plus 3/5 कितना हो जाएगा? ये क्या है? 1 3/5 क्या होता है? बचपन में पढ़ा था ना, 1 plus 3/5. All of you know this, right? तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? This will be 8/5 square plus 2 plus 2/5 कितना हो जाएगा? 12/5 plus 15 plus 1 16/5 This is what you want. अच्छा, now try to keep simplifying things. Can you take something common outside बच्चों? Can you take something common outside? क्या करो? 1/5 square तो common आ जाएगा. Can I take 1/5 square common outside? Yes, you can. अच्छा, what is 4, 12, 16? These are multiples of 4. So this is 4 into 2, 4 into 3, 4 into 4. So can I take 4 square also common outside? So if I take 5 square common from denominator, तो denominator तो गया. 4 square common outside, बचेगा कितना बच्चों? 2 square. 4 into 2 8. 4 into 3 12. 3 square. 4 into 4. So how many terms are there? 10 terms. In the first term 2 square, second term 3 square, third term 4 square, 10th term. Agree? So first term में क्या आएगा बच्चों? First term में आ रहा है 2, second term 3, third term 4, 10th term 11. यहां तक समझ में आ गया? So this is your problem बच्चों. अरे तो बहुत simple problem है. It is so simple. This is a formula. Can you see a formula here? क्या करो? Just add and subtract what? You directly know a formula here. अरे आजा. क्या करोगे? Add 1 and subtract 1 and subtract 1. Agree? Now this is the formula. The summation of the first 11 terms. ये तो फॉर्मूला हो गया. सबको पता है? This is the formula. What is the formula of first n terms? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. In the place of n, put कितना 11. ले हो गया solve. समझ में आया? Let me again summarize it for you. What did I do? See carefully, what did I do? First we wrote it like this. Right? Then I took what? Then I took 5 square common outside. Then from this I took out 4 square common outside. तो क्या बच गया आपके पास? 2 square plus 3 square से लेके 11 square. Why 11? Because number of terms are, because the first term के अंदर आता है 2, तो 10th term के अंदर बच्चों क्या आएगा? 11. Right? So 2 square से लेके 11 square. But I see a formula here. So what did I do? So then I use the formula directly. What is the formula? So I added 1 and I subtracted 1. Right? But this entire thing is the formula. What is the formula? N. Formula was the summation of the squares is equal to n, n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. In this case, n is equal to 11 because 1 से लेके we are going till 11. So 11 into 11 plus 1 into 2 into 11 plus 1 upon 6. There is a minus 1 outside. So this thing became this. Solve कर दो, आंसर आ जाएगा. क्या आ गया? 16 into 505 is equal to 16 by 5m as given in the problem. m हो गया बच्चों 101, 101. Any doubt? बच्चों, did you get it? समझ में आया? Yes or no? You know. Did you get it? Yes or no? अरे हाँ चिंटू जैन, yes, this is sufficient बेटा, इतना कर लो. You do it till here. No, Raghav, don't worry about that. Awesome, super, ये हो गया ये तो. चलो ये समझ में आ गया. Now let us move to the other variety of problems in this. ठीक है, कहाँ गए? We are here. So let's do the other variety of problem. Now look at this. Now this is the second variety of problem. Look here. The sum of the series. हाँ Arju, we do the warm up now. We start with the problem. Ratan Gupta. Yes, I am taking your name, Ratan. Now sum of the series this up to 11th term is, right? So such problems where some combination is given, when some sum is given, और there is no, it is not a AP, it is not a GP, it is not a HP, कुछ नहीं है, कोई AP, GP, HP नहीं है. ठीक है, तो क्या करें बेटा? तो क्या करेंगे? We will write the nth term या rth term. कैसे? Now listen to me very carefully. Ranveer Singh, focus here, and Vishal, come focus here. क्या करना? देखना ध्यान से. मैं क्या करता हूँ? मुझे लग रहा है ये 2 into 3, 3 into 5, 4 into 7. Can you write the general term? एक काम करो, 1 को अलग हटाओ. Let me take the 1 outside. It is written 2 into 3, 3 into 5, 4 into 7. Can you write the rth term? Plus the 10th term, sorry. This is the question. Can you visualize? This is the question. मैंने एक term को तो अलग से निकाल लिया. I took 1 outside. Total number of terms are 11. So 1 is outside. Now how many terms are there? First term. So this is my term 1. This is my term 1. This is my second term. This is my third term. Right? This is the 11th term. बची हुई कितनी है? 10 terms. So this is my third term, rth term, 10th term. Total number of terms कितनी हो गई बच्चों? 11. Now the idea in such problems is to write down the rth term. Can you tell me the rth term बच्चों? Anybody? Can you tell me the rth term? Can you tell me the general term in terms of r? तो Aniket says n into 2n minus 1. बिल्कुल correct Aniket. But you start with n is equal to 2. Let me start with n is equal to 1. अगर मैं r को 1 लेता हूं तो ये कितना है? ये r plus 1 है. r plus 1. ठीक है. When you take r is equal to 1 तो r plus 1 से 2 आ जाएगा. What is 3? 3 is 1 into 2 plus 1. So 2r plus 1. See carefully. Is this the rth term? Is this the rth term? कैसे? देखो r को 1 पुट करो, पुट r इज इक्वल टू 1, ये कैसे आएगा? बाय पुटिंग r इज इक्वल टू 1. चेक इट. r को 1 पुट करो, 2 इंटू 1 2, 2 प्लस 1 3, राइट. पुट r इज इक्वल टू 2, देखो क्या आएगा, ये आएगा. पुट r इज इक्वल टू 3 एंड सिमिलरली यू कैन गेट द 10th टर्म ऑल्सो. आ गया. नाउ अगर आपके पास rth टर्म आ गया ना बच्चों, सो दिस प्रॉब्लम कैन बी रिटन एज, नाउ द प्रॉब्लम कैन बी रिटन एज 1 प्लस सिग्मा of the rth term, that is r plus 1 into 2r plus 1, where r starts from 1 and goes till 10, and goes till r starts from 1 goes till 10. Now use the formula. अब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे अपन. यहां तक समझ में आया? So let me repeat it once again. In such problems where you get a series in which you do not identify it either as an AP or a GP, ठीक है, the standard method is बच्चों to identify the rth term. The only brain application is to identify the rth term, right? तो 2 into 3, 3 into 5, 4 into 7, मैंने सोचा rth term क्या होगी, तो मुझे दिख रहा है अगर r को 1 लेता हूं तो this is r plus 1. If r is 1, 2 is r plus 1. What is 3? It is 2 into 1 plus 1. So 2 into r plus 1, right? So this is, ये कितना हो जाएगा? For example, if r is 2, 2 plus 1, 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1. So r plus 1, 2r plus 1. So आपका जनरल टर्म क्या हो गया? r plus 1, 2r plus 1. अप्लाई द सिग्मा 1 से लेके 10. tr, rth टर्म का सिग्मा r is 1 से 10. Is this summation? Now this is the technique to solve. Now we will learn how to solve this. Okay, so let me go to the next page. So this is what we did. फिर से वही आ गया. तो क्या हो गया? S10, ठीक है. तो question was there is a plus 1 here. बाद में 1 को बाद में ऐड कर देंगे, we'll add it later. So this is what we are going to solve. Right? क्या करो? Multiply this. तो you will get this. Right? Now this can be written as, देखना ध्यान से, this can be written as sigma of 2n square, sigma of 2n square या r, doesn't matter, r या n, whatever you want, plus sigma of 3n plus sigma of 1, right? Where r varies या n varies from 1 से लेके 10, right? Now what will happen? This two constants can be taken outside. So 2n square बच्चों क्या हो जाएगा? 2 outside n square. 3n में constant can come outside plus 3 times n plus sigma 1 where n varies from 1 to 10. Now all these are formulae. You know the formula? What is the formula of this? You know the formula? n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. n is 10. n into n plus 1 by 2. n is 10. Sigma of 1. इसका मतलब क्या होता है बच्चों? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 10 times. So this is nothing but 10. That's it. समझ में आया? आदित्य is depressed. अरे बेटा क्यों depressed है यार? Don't be depressed. बिल्कुल मत डिप्रेस हो. Don't. I'll take lots of sessions to help you get out of the depression, but please don't get depressed यार. तुम लोग को डिप्रेस देख के मैं डिप्रेस्ड हो जाता हूँ. क्या है लाइफ में? जे इट्स ओके, बिग डील. इतना लोड नहीं लेने का है जे का, ठीक है. यू आर डूइंग योर हार्ड वर्क बेटा, दैट्स ऑल दैट इज नीडेड. डोंट वरी एट ऑल, है ना. ये समझ में आया यहाँ तक? एनीबडी नी डाउट? नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ ये रहा. नाउ लेट्स अप्लाई द फॉर्मूले डायरेक्टली. क्या किया अपन ने? सो वी गॉट टिल हियर. अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला 2n square. So 2 into n into n plus 1 into by 6, 3, n into n plus 1 by 2. This is n and the value of n is 10. As soon as you put it, you will get 945. But the question was plus 1. हमने 1 को अलग कर दिया था ना. So answer will be, how many of you got it? Rajesh is asking why up to 10? बेटा the summation was till 11th term ना. वी सेपरेटेड आउट 1, तो बची हुई टर्म्स कितनी थी? 10 टर्म्स. दैट इज वाई समेशन टिल 10. एग्री? एनी डाउट? एनी डाउट? Clear? Got it? Very nice. Super awesome. Want to do one more problem? Want to do one more problem? Yes? अरे क्या बात है, कितने सारे. Do press on the like button बच्चों if you are understanding it. It gives me feedback. Let's do this problem. This is the last problem of the day. And sequence progression is done. Nothing else comes in sequence progression. Nothing else. Trust me, nothing else comes. बस ये कर लो, मस्त हो जाओ. Do it. Read the problem. Solutions of the assignments. अच्छा बेटा, assignments के solution भी चाहिए आपको? Okay. Let me do that. Let me check that. Okay. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू डू, अच्छा कई बच्चे मुझसे पूछते हैं, ये मैं 2019 की प्रॉब्लम्स ले रहा हूँ, राइट? सो इफ यू वॉन्ट टू डू प्रीवियस मोर प्रॉब्लम्स, यू कैन सर्च फॉर माई प्रीवियस ईयर स्प्रिंट के क्लासेस. बाय द वे, द प्रीवियस ईयर स्प्रिंट क्लासेस का लिंक इज देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. सो यू कैन गो एंड डू द सीक्वेंस प्रोग्रेशन की प्रॉब्लम्स, मोर प्रॉब्लम्स थ्रू माई लास्ट ईयर की क्लासेस ऑल्सो. यू कैन डू दैट. द लिंक इज देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. बट या, लेट्स फोकस ऑन दिस प्रॉब्लम नाउ. क्या बोल रहा है भाई? 3 this 5 क्या लिखा है यार, समझ में नहीं आ रहा. अप टू 10th टर्म, राइट? सबसे पहले आराम से टेक योर टाइम, ठीक है? लेट्स ट्राई टू राइट द, कुछ समझ में नहीं आता था, राइट द rth टर्म. बच्चों राइट द rth टर्म. यार यहां पे कहीं पे एक था rth टर्म, राइट? सम rth टर्म था ना. सो कैन यू राइट द rth टर्म, द जनरल rth टर्म? कितना हो जाएगा? 3 5 7. R कितना है? सो व्हेन R इज 1, ये कितना हो जाएगा? 2R plus 1. व्हेन R इज 1, तो ये कितना है? 3. व्हेन R इज 2, 2 into 2 plus 1 5. व्हेन R इज 3, 2 into 3 plus 1 7. into, in the first term 1 cube upon 1 square. In the second term, this is the second term, this is the first term, this is the third term. थर्ड टर्म में क्या हो रहा है? 1 2 3. सो rth टर्म में कितना होगा? 1 क्यूब प्लस 2 क्यूब प्लस r क्यूब. डिनोमिनेटर में बच्चों कितना हो जाएगा? 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 स्क्वायर प्लस r स्क्वायर. अरे वी नो द फॉर्मूले ऑफ दिस. सिंप्लीफाई, हमें तो इसके फॉर्मूले पता है. सो कैन आई राइट दिस एज 2r plus 1 into, यहां तक समझ में आ गया? ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट इट? ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट इट? ठीक है. तो कितना हो जाएगा? 1 क्यूब 2 क्यूब से लेके r क्यूब कितना हो जाएगा? कितना हो जाएगा? दिस इज द फॉर्मूला, दैट इज r plus 1/2 का होल स्क्वायर. और डिनोमिनेटर बच्चों कितना हो जाएगा? डिनोमिनेटर विल बी n plus 1 into 2n plus 1/6, मतलब r into r plus 1 into 2r plus 1/6. जरा सिंप्लीफाई कर लो इसको. r plus 1 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, कुछ कुछ हो जाएगा. सिंप्लीफाई दिस, यू विल गेट द rth टर्म. इज दैट क्लियर टिल हियर? ठीक है. सो इफ यू सिंप्लीफाइड, व्हाट विल यू गेट? आई विल शो द कैलकुलेशन. देखो ये आएगा. क्या किया मैंने? सो देयर इज एन rth टर्म, राइट? सो rth टर्म विल बी दिस. यहां तक तो सबको समझ में आ गया. when you put down the values, कितना हो जाएगा? this thing will be this thing. denominator, the summation of the squares will be this thing, r plus 1 2r plus 1 upon 6. 6 comes in the numerator. ठीक है. when you multiply you will get this. अरे वाह. तो आपका rth term कितना आ गया? it means what is your rth term? your rth term is 3r plus 1/2. what was the question? summation till the 10 terms. अरे वाह. that is the summation till the 10 terms is sigma of this, where r goes from 1 से 10. या फिर समेशन ऑफ दिस वेयर r गोज फ्रॉम 1 से 10। अरे वाह, वेरी सिंपल टू सॉल्व। टेक 3/2 आउटसाइड, कितना हो जाएगा 3/2 सिग्मा ऑफ r स्क्वायर प्लस r, वेयर r वेरीज फ्रॉम 1 से 10। बस यू नो द फॉर्मूला, यू नो द फॉर्मूला। इसका फॉर्मूला क्या है, n प्लस 1 इंटू 2n प्लस 1/6, n की जगह 10। इसका फॉर्मूला क्या है, n इंटू n प्लस 1/2, n की जगह 10। खटाक, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व। अरे बेटा ये मेथड ऑफ डिफरेंस और इन सब कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, डोंट वरी शैलेंद्र, जो बता रहा हूँ कर लो। चेक आउट एनी प्रॉब्लम ऑफ जेईई मेंस, सब इसमें से हो जाएगा, ट्रस्ट मी। टाइम सेव करो। तो ये रहा आंसर, क्या आ गया आपका। सो चेक आउट द कैलकुलेशंस। तो आपका फाइनली आ गया rth टर्म इज दिस, समेशन कितना हो जाएगा, दिस इज द समेशन सिग्मा टी आर r1 से 10, दैट इज r1 से 10 3/2 कॉमन आउटसाइड r स्क्वायर प्लस r, दिस विल गिव यू n plus 1 2n plus 1/6 because of this, and because of r n into n plus 1/2, n की जगह क्या है 10, सॉल्व किया 660। सुपर सिंपल। मेजॉरिटी स्टूडेंट्स विल लीव इट बिकॉज द प्रॉब्लम लुक्स लाइक वेरी वेरी डेंजरस। प्रॉब्लम देखते कितनी लगती है, डेंजरस लगती है, इट लुक्स डेंजरस बट इट इज नॉट। एग्री? एनी डाउट? तो बच्चों, आर यू कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट सीक्वेंस इन सीरीज और नॉट? राइट, यू और नो? सो आर यू कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट सॉल्विंग सीक्वेंस सीरीज प्रॉब्लम्स इन जेईई? यो, चलो वेरी नाइस, सुपर ऑसम। एक दो बच्चों ने नो लिखा है, बेटा एक बार रिवाइज करो, गो रिवाइज दिस क्लास। यू कैन रिवाइज माई प्रीवियस स्प्रिंट क्लास ऑल्सो, द लिंक इज देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन। ऑल राइट, चलो नाउ लेट मी क्विकली डू वॉट, दिस इज द आंसर, दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम, लेट मी गिव यू दिस प्रॉब्लम एज होम असाइनमेंट। डू इट विथ शॉर्टकट, डू इट विथ शॉर्टकट, इसको शॉर्टकट से करना है, ऑल ऑफ यू डू इट विथ शॉर्टकट। What did I tell you? If the options have n, then the problem is very simple. बच्चों क्या करोगे? This is the summation till nth terms. This is a KVPY problem, just giving you for the shortcut. तो बच्चों क्या करना? सबसे पहले find out S1. This is only this will give you S1. Then find out S2. S2 क्या हो जाएगा? This plus this. So you get the value of S1, you get the value of S2. This is for n is equal to 1, this is for n is equal to 2. Put n is equal to 1 in the options, check which one is correct. Agar you will get two options correct, then put n is equal to 2. When you put n is equal to 2 in the options, you should get this value, right? Check, you will get the answer. Very standard problems. ठीक है, इसका आंसर आएगा बेटा, इसका आंसर चेक कर लेना। आंसर बच्चों इसका आएगा आई थिंक बी। ठीक है, सो दिस इज योर केवीपीवाई प्रॉब्लम। दिस इज द लेंथी मेथड ऑफ इट, वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड। आई एम लीविंग इट बिकॉज जस्ट टू टेल यू विथ शॉर्टकट प्रॉब्लम इज जस्ट लाइक दैट। प्रॉपर सॉल्व करोगे तो भैया जान निकल जाएगी। ठीक है, एंड दिस इज माई प्रीवियस ईयर क्लास, दिस इज माई 2018 class. If you want to do problems of JEE Mains 2016, 17, 18, they are there in this class. The link is there in the description. तो आप वहाँ से कर सकते हो। ठीक है, वहाँ से कर लेना बच्चों। And again I am giving you home assignment problems, class वाली। The later home assignment problems will be there in the Telegram group. ठीक है, so home assignment problems are this 2019. You need not note it, replay से देख लेना एक बार। I have given this in the beginning of the class also. This one, this one, this one, and this one. I want your answers in the comment box with your names. In the comment box, in your names, with your names. Okay? The solution of these problems are there in the PDF. इसका जो PDF मिलेगा, the solution of these problems are there in the PDF towards the end. Okay? The PDF will be available on the Telegram group. All right? If you want to join the crash course बच्चों, this is the link, आप देख लेना, this is a discount price link. This crash course includes JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, boards, सबका रिवीजन, एवरीथिंग इज इंक्लूडेड, टेस्ट सीरीज इज ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड, एवरीथिंग इज इंक्लूडेड. इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड, ये रहा लिंक, इससे कर लेना इफ एट ऑल यू आर इंटरेस्टेड. एवरीथिंग इज देयर ऑन द ऐप. ऐप के लिए बच्चों आई गेव यू अ लिंक टू वोट फॉर वेदांतु. आई अगेन गिव यू दैट लिंक. ठीक है. टेलीग्राम ग्रुप, द लिंक टू ज्वाइन टेलीग्राम ग्रुप इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, वहां से ज्वाइन कर लो. ऑल राइट. एंड डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब बच्चों. अगर इफ यू अंडरस्टूड द क्लास, डू लाइक इट. ऑल राइट. एंड एज आई ऑलवेज से बच्चों, I'll end the class with a beautiful smile on my face and your face, because a lot of you are saying that, बहुत बच्चे बोल रहे थे right, I'm depressed. अरे बच्चों बिल्कुल don't get depressed. See, if you look at the syllabus is so huge. What is my purpose? My purpose is to only teach you concepts which are important for JEE. That is why your time of preparation will reduce. Only, so leave the research to me. I am doing the research for you. I am only teaching those concepts which come in JEE for you. Only do that and be confident. In the last times, just go through last 2-3 years of JEE Mains की problems and you are sorted. If you want to devote time in learning new topic, बच्चों devote in chemistry. Master chemistry so much that within 30 minutes or 40 minutes, you are able to attempt the entire 100% JEE Mains का paper. Do that and your rank is guaranteed. ठीक है. So don't get stressed. बिल्कुल chilled out रहो बच्चों, because it is a competition. You are not alone. Everybody out there is stressed. So who will be less stressed will win the game. So be less stressed than the others. Got it? Especially the ones who are in my class. I don't want you to be stressed at all. I want this on your faces. सब बच्चे मुस्कुराओ. Right now, smile all of you. सारे स्माइल करो यार, क्या टेंशन है लाइफ में. ट्रस्ट मी, JEE इज नॉट अ टेस्ट ऑफ लाइफ. अरे कोई टेंशन नहीं है यार, जो हो जाएगा सब गुड है. बस मस्त रहो, चिल्ड रहो. ट्रस्ट मी, आई हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ लाइफ. JEE एग्जाम इज नॉट अ मैटर ऑफ लाइफ एंड डेथ. इट इज जस्ट वन स्टेपिंग स्टोन इन योर लाइफ. सो डोंट टेक सो मच स्ट्रेस थिंकिंग इट इज अ मैटर ऑफ लाइफ एंड डेथ. इट इज नॉट. इट इज जस्ट अ स्टेपिंग स्टोन इन योर लाइफ. ठीक है बच्चों. चलो, ऑन दैट नोट व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई एम गोइंग टू अगेन शो यू वन थिंग विच आई वॉन्ट योर हेल्प इन. आई वॉन्ट योर हेल्प इन दिस बच्चों. कहाँ पे, लेट मी गो अगेन. कितना सारा पढ़ लिया अपने आज. दिस बच्चों, आई नीड हेल्प इन दिस. हेल्प अस विन इन दिस. सो वेदांतु हैज बीन नॉमिनेटेड बाय गूगल for Users Choice Award. Vedantu is the only education app there. Please vote on this link, https:/vdnt.in/vote now. Go to this link, you will get this page, you will see that page. कहाँ गया वो? Yeah, so this is the page you will see. ठीक है. When you click on that link, just click on the vote now. ठीक है. चलो, Hardik Jatolia, I am taking your name, and to all of you, bye bye, all the very best. Next class is my second class of complex numbers, that is cube root of unity. और सैटरडे को मैं क्लास करूंगा लोकेशन ऑफ रूट्स, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, टू सॉलिडिफाई योर एंटायर अलजेब्रा. फिर एक क्लास करेंगे बाइनोमियल की, एंड यू आर सॉर्टेड, योर अलजेब्रा इज डन. ऑल राइट. चलो, बाय बाय, सी यू, एंजॉय.